In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Udemy order history on desktop. Whether you need a quick proof of purchase for work, a detailed invoice for taxes, or you just want to check what you've bought and when, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to look. Start by opening your preferred desktop web browser, Chrome, Edge, Safari, Firefox, whichever you use, and go to udemy.com. This process is designed for a computer, so the layout will match what you see on a desktop or laptop screen. If you aren't already signed in, click Log In and sign in to your Udemy account. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile picture or avatar. If you haven't added a photo, you'll see a circle with your initials. Click that avatar to open the account menu. In the drop-down menu that appears, click Purchase History. That takes you straight to a page that lists all your purchases. Think of this as your dashboard for transactions. You'll see courses you've bought, and you'll have links to receipts, invoices, and any refund history associated with each order. On the Purchase History page, review the list of courses you've purchased. Each entry shows the course title and the transaction information. When you need the official details for a single order, click Receipt, Invoice, or Credit Note next to that item. A receipt is often enough for personal records, while an invoice is usually the document required for business or tax purposes, depending on your region. If you refunded a course, a credit note records that adjustment. After opening any of these, use your browser's print option to print a hard copy or save it as a PDF for your files. If you're looking for refunds, scroll to the bottom of the Purchase History page. This is where refunds and credit notes are summarized. You can confirm whether a refund was issued, see the related course, and open the credit note for the official documentation. That's all there is to it. Open Udemy on your desktop, sign in, click your avatar, choose Purchase History, and from there you can view every course you've bought, open receipts and invoices, and find any refunds or credit notes. Keep this page bookmarked if you reference your purchases often, and you'll always have your Udemy order records within a couple of clicks.